Hello everyone, welcome to Faisal Television. I have this Samsung 7 kg washing machine PCB board. The problem is start button not working. Let's try. Power on, press start. So how to repair, I will teach you. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I already cut this board and I already found the parts. So this is 2PC AutoCAD. So from here we jump up to this diode, and after we check start button is working or not. Okay, I already jump up from this component to this diode. Now let's try. Okay, done. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching. Samsung 7 kg washing machine PCB board repair, start button not working.